Most people think Google Vids is just another AI video generator. It is not. Google Vids is a Google's AI-powered video creation platform built specifically for presentations, training videos, business communication, educational content, marketing videos, and team collaborations. If you've been using tools like Canva, PowerPoint, CapCut, or even AI video generators, Google Vids combines many of those capabilities into one workspace that is deeply integrated with Google Workspace. In today's video, I will show you exactly what Google Vids is, who it is designed for, its key features, its strengths and limitations, how the AI works, and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. If you are new here, my name is Musa Nankwateshua. I create practical tutorials on AI tools, automations, and digital productivity that help professionals, business owners, and content creators work smarter. If that's the kind of content you are looking for, please subscribe and turn on the notification buttons. Let's begin. Google Vids is an AI-powered video creation application developed by Google. Instead of editing videos the traditional way using complicated timelines, transitions, and dozens of editing panels, Google Vids focuses on helping people create professional videos quickly. Think of it as Google Docs, but for videos. Instead of writing documents collaboratively, you can create videos collaboratively. It runs inside your browser, no heavy software installation, no expensive computer, everything is cloud-based. Google designed it mainly for businesses, teachers, students, marketing teams, HR departments, that's human resource departments, sales teams, customer support, small business owners, and professionals who needs to communicate visually. Unlike YouTube editing software, Google Vids is designed more for communication than cinematic filmmaking. Many companies spend hours creating internal training videos, meeting summaries, sales presentations, employee onboarding, product demonstrations, educational lessons. Instead of hiring video editors, Google wanted anyone to create these videos in a minute. This is where Google Vids AI comes in. You can simply describe what you want. The Google Vids AI helps you generate the outline, the video scenes, voiceover suggestions, images, stock footage, and even the structure of your presentation. Rather than starting with a blank screen, you start with AI Assistant, which saves a huge amount of time. Now let's look at the features that makes Google Vids different. Number 1, AI story creation. Instead of building every slide manually, you can describe your idea. Google's AI creates an entire storyboard. Each scene already contains suggested layout and text. Number 2, templates. Google provides ready-made templates for you inside the AI. These include business pitches, employee onboarding, marketing videos, training lessons, project updates, company announcements, educational presentations, and many more. Number 3, AI voiceovers. You don't always need to record your own voice. Google Vids can generate AI narration for many projects. It's useful for businesses producing training materials consistently. Number 4, stock media library. Google Vids gives access to high-quality stock videos, examples like the images, icons, background music, and designed assets. Instead of searching across multiple websites, many sources are already available on the Google Vids AI. You don't need to stress yourself. Number 5, collaboration. Just like Google Docs, multiple people can edit one project together. Your team members can leave comments, suggest changes, edit scenes, review scripts, and approve content. Everything happens in real time. Number 6, Google Workspace integration. This is one of the biggest advantages. Google Vids connects directly with your Google Drive, your Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Meet, and other workspace apps. You can easily pull information into your videos. Number 7, easy sharing. When finished, you can share your project with teammates, your clients, or your organization, since it's a cloud-based, which makes everyone stays updated automatically. Google Vids is made perfect for teachers creating lessons, business owners creating presentations, human resource managers producing onboarding videos, sales teams preparing product demonstrations, trainers, consultants, marketers, or anyone who regularly explains information visually. If your goal is creating high business adverts, high YouTube tutorial videos, and so many others, Google Vids will help you do that. The biggest advantages include easy for beginners, it's AI that save time, it's cloud-based, no powerful computer required, can use your phone, gives excellent collaboration, produce professional templates, it includes simple interface, it's integrated with Google Workspace, it's for fast content creation, it's ideal for business communication, and many others. Google Vids also has limitations. The advanced cinematic editing is limited. The animations options are fewer than professional editors. Some AI features require supported workspace plans. Internet connection is required. Creative freedom is lower than dedicated editing software. Understanding these limitations helps you decide when Google Vids is the right tool. This is my opinion. After testing Google Vids AI, I see it as one of the best AI productivity tools Google has released. It is not trying to replace professional editing software. Instead, it's helping ordinary professionals create quality videos without learning complex editing. That's exactly where it shines. If you are planning to use Google Vids AI, start by learning the basics before exploring advanced AI features. I have already created another detailed tutorial showing how to use Google Vids AI workflows. If you want to go beyond the basics and learn how to generate videos faster with AI-powered workflows, be sure to watch that video after this one. If this guide helped you to understand Google Vids better, give it a thumb up and please subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss my features AI tutorials. I am Musa Kodeshon. I help professionals, business owners, and content creators use AI tools and automation to save time and work more efficiently.